Hi students, today we will learn how to convert the NFA into the DFA. Important question, 5 marks they will surely ask, and this can be 10 marks question also. Okay, conversion of NFA into DFA. So firstly, this one is in NFA form because see the state is taking 2 transaction for 0. For the same input it is taking 2 transaction, whereas here Q1 there is no transaction for 0 and for Q2 there is no transaction for any input. Right, so by this only we can say that it is NFA. Now they said that this is just NFA, we need to convert into DFA. So for this NFA, first you should write the definition of NFA. Okay, so 5 tuples you have to write. State you have to write Q0, Q1, Q2, Qn. Input symbols used are 0 and 1. Starting state with the arrow, that is Q0, and the final state with the double circle, that is Q2. And for the same diagram you should write the transaction table. Okay, this is the delta n, NFA, for NFA. Okay, then input symbols are 0, 1, and the states, arrow indicates start symbol, star indicates accept symbol, accept state. Okay, now Q0 for 0 taking transaction for Q0 and Q1. Okay, and Q0 for 1 it is taking transaction to Q0 only. So Q0. Again for Q1 no transaction, so 5. For 1 it is taking to transaction Q2, and Q2 no, not having any transaction, so we'll say both as nothing. Fine, 5. Okay, now coming to the next one, we should convert into equivalent DFA. No, that is the question. So DFA tuples, okay, are 5 tuples we have to write. So see, always the starting state will be similar. Okay, and input symbols will be similar. So first always we should start with the starting symbol. So step 1, the starting symbol of DFA is also equals to the as similar as the NFA. So QD is equals to Q0. That is the first step. Now for the step 2, we have to start taking the transaction. We have to calculate the transaction from Q0. Okay, so Q0 we have to take the transaction on the input symbol. So how many inputs are there? 2 inputs. So Q0 comma 0 we have to find, and Q0 comma 1 we have to find. Okay, now transaction for n given as Q0 comma 0. Okay, so this means this you have to calculate with the table or the diagram. See, for Q0 0, in the given Q0 for 0 it is taking transition to Q0 Q1. So here you have written Q0 Q1. Okay, so you can use both the things your wish. Now next Q0 for 1 we have to find. Okay, for Q0 for 1 it is taking transition to Q0 only. Now you see Q0 is a, already we have taken it as a 1 state. Now no need of this one, we no need of calculating, but this is a new state, right? Now this is a new state. Now we have to consider this state and we have to give input 0 and 1 for both of it. Now see here, so Q0 Q1, okay, Q0 Q1, for this one we have to give input 0 and 1, we have to calculate again. So how? See, first we have to divide into 2, Q0 0, Q1 0 with the union symbol. Okay, so delta NFA Q0 comma 0 union delta NFA Q0 comma 1, Q0 comma 0 union Q0 comma Q1 comma 0, like that. Okay, now Q0 and 0 we have already calculated, that answer is Q0 Q1. Okay, and Q1 for 0, that you have to check. Q1 for 0 there is no transaction, so 5. Anything union with the 5 is similar set. Okay, now this one is already present state, so we will already 1 0 only we have done. We have to do same state, one more, 1 for 1 also we have to calculate. So again you divide Q0 and 1 and Q1 and 1, Q0 1 Q1 1. Okay, now Q0 1, for Q0 1 it is taking transition to Q0 only, and Q1 1 it is taking transition to Q2. See, Q0 Q2. Now these are the two answers. This one we have already got this one, and for this one we have already applied the input symbol. Now this is a new state. This one we have to consider and we have to apply again similar way, 0 and 1. Inputs we have to apply, we have to calculate. Okay, now Q0 and Q2 is our answer, new state that we have to consider. We have to apply for 0 and 1. We have to calculate now. Okay. Now Q0 0 union Q2 0. Q0 0 union Q2 0. So Q0 0 we have already calculated, that is Q0 Q1. And Q2 is not taking transition for any of the value. So it is 5. Okay. Anything union 5 is that thing only. That thing you have to write it down as it is. Now Q0 1 union Q2 1. Okay. Q0 1 union Q2 1. Again Q0 for 1 it is taking transition to itself, and Q2 there is no transaction, so 5, so Q0. Now you see these two states are similar, there is no new state came, so that is a hint. Now in the diagram they given that Q2 is the final state. Okay. Now in the combination of the set, okay, we have to check where the Q2 is present. See, Q2 is present in only this state. Now this one is considered as a Q0 and Q2 is considered as a final state. Okay, Q0 and Q2 is considered as a final state. Now we the states are Q0, okay, Q0, Q0 Q1, Q0 Q2. Okay, this is one state. These two are one state. These two are one state, and symbols are same. Starting symbol is same, and final state in which Q2 is present here, that is our final state. Okay. Now this is your diagram. So your arrow should be there. So now here what is the answer is given based on that only. See, Q0 Q2 for 0 it is taking transition to Q0 Q1. So Q0 Q2 for 0 it is taking transaction to Q0 Q1. Again Q0 Q2 for 1 it is taking transition to Q0 Q0. Like that only the answer is. Okay. The same way here you see, for Q0 0, Q0 Q1, for 1 Q0 only. So for Q0 for 0 it is taking transition to Q0 Q1, and for 1 Q0 only. Again Q0 Q1 for 0 it is taking transition to Q0 Q1, and for 1 it is taking transition to Q0 Q2. Like that you should draw starting state, accept state with the double circle you should mention properly, and arrow should be marked properly. Okay, now you check, this is our DFA. It is taking transition for every input, only one transaction it is taking. Okay, so every state taking transaction for both the inputs. Okay, all the states having two transactions. Now for this diagram you should draw a table same way. Okay, Q0 Q0 Q1, Q0 Q2 is our states, starting state, final state. And for Q0 0, Q0 Q1, and Q0 for 1, Q0. Again Q0 Q1, for 0 Q0 Q1 only, and for 1 Q0 Q2. Like that. Okay, you should write similar, for 0 this one, and for 1 Q0. So this is how you have to write the conversion of NFA to DFA.